784. Let's fucking go. All right. So in system index, we're making a new system called MIPTILE. It's going to be below hardtext and above pigtile in the dependency chain order. In const macros by system, we have inserted a stub for the MIPTILE constants, and data by system, a stub for the MIPTILE mutable data, and then the MIPTILE function section is beneath hardtext here, and we have some monkey wrench macros for misspellings of our functions. We have the workhorse function right here. It's going to take the tile magnitude for one tile in pixels and the master memory cell X and Y in which we want to create MIP maps for. So we'll do the logic in another video, and then we have some wrapper functions. So MIPTILE, tile magnitude, and MMI. So this is going to create MIP maps, but it takes the tile magnitude and master memory index, and we just have to strip off the I here, get tile mag, use some lookup tables to get MMX and MMY, and then we're going to call the upper function up here, right? So this one right here, this is just a wrapper function for the function on top, right? And then we have one more wrapper function, so we have two wrapper functions. So this wrapper function takes tile magnitude and the KD7 index, right? And here's the input tile magnitude, the input KD7. We are going to strip off the I to get just tile magnitude here. And then the master memory index is going to be gotten using the klayout KD7 to master memory index lookup table. KD7 goes in, the master memory index goes out. And then we can call the upper function tile mag MMI, right? So tile mag and MMI go in, and this is the upper function up here, right? And then this wrapper function calls the actual function we care about. It's like right up here, right? This function here. And we'll do the logic in another video, right? We're just kind of outlining kind of the basic idea, the basic structure of the MIP map maker for pigtile. Okay, here's what we did previously, and then our footnotes. If you want a longer explanation, you can go here. You are on Kanji playlist right now. Source code is here. Ways to get a hold of me. Like and subscribe. My name is Kanji Coder. I'm making the game engine from complete scratch and documenting every single line of code.